I've been kind of... This is the only thing the spirits let me do. Eating right now, I've been praying and fasting. And then today, just now, some guy said, "You want some beers?" So it represents, he said they're really, really sweet. So that represents the land of milk and honey. And then following the Holy Spirit to throw some things away. Right where I was supposed to be. We're gonna walk it out, babe. Because of course, my new routine is to say, I'm praying for my wife, which I always am. You should be praying for your spouse. And I'm praying about going to my little church and seeing the progress I made there. Hopefully getting a Bible. We'll see how the Holy Spirit leads us here. But the Spirit was telling me yesterday, because I was watching AD and admiring my apostles, seeing Peter in action, and I have my own thoughts on it, but believe me, there's no movies that can encapsulate the strength of my apostles. I trained them well. None of which is stronger than Mary Magdalene. And we have an inside joke about this, so this will be between me and her. And the Holy Spirit said, make sure you get that on video, upload it. We hit the ground running, pretty much. We're in our season of restoration. I confirmed that. So doing everything step by step. This made me smile. I think it's funny. It's got a rainbow and everything, babe. All right. I love you.